Hey! Welcome to How's It channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to change slide size in PowerPoint. Open your PowerPoint presentation. Go to Design tab. Click on Slide Size at the end of the menu bar. You have three options. 1. Standard, 4:9 ratio. 2. Widescreen, 16:9 ratio. 3. Custom slide size. Select the one you prefer. We went for custom slide size. Click on the tiny arrow under Slide Sized For and select the one you need. Set number of slides from to the one you need. Select the slide orientation, portrait or landscape. Select the orientation for notes, handouts, and outline. Click OK. Click on Maximize in the new window. Enjoy! That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day.